How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. In this video, I will be showing you 5 best Android apps that will definitely boost up your productivity. With that being said, make sure you guys watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. So drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we have a very minimal launcher called Indistractable Launcher. This launcher does not allow you to change the wallpaper, add different widgets, or do anything that will make you distracted. All you get is this black wallpaper with a couple of home screens. The first screen will show you the date, time, progress of the day and year with all your favorite applications. And by swiping right, you will get the app drawer along with the search bar where you can find all the applications that you have installed on your phone. Guys, this launcher is extremely minimal, where you get a very limited amount of customization. But if you really want to become more productive, then I will highly suggest you to start using this launcher. I'm sure you will definitely find some time to start doing useful things other than just staying on your phone all the time. Next up, we have one of the best habit tracker called Avocation. It allows you to create a habit and then you can set how many times a day you want to do that specific task. It also lets you select which time of the day, like the morning, afternoon or evening, you want to do that particular thing. For example, I can easily create a new task of drinking water every day as soon as I wake up in the morning. And also I can set a reminder, so in case if I don't remember, then the app will send me a notification asking me to do my specific task. So basically, you can create your own habits and organize your day more efficiently by using this application. Other than this, I also like the interface of this app. It is super clean and easy to use as well. It's a free application, so definitely try it out. Alright guys, next up we have Filterbox. Filterbox is a notification manager which shows you all the notification in a really cool way and it looks great. It shows you the current active notifications and the notifications that you have already dismissed in this really cool looking timeline design. You can search for a specific notification or you can tap a notification to see all the details, or even you can restore the notification in the notification panel itself. Apart from this, you can also create rules to mute certain notifications or postpone them, or you can also dismiss them directly without seeing it. Guys, it also has analytics page that shows you the total number of notifications that you have received from all the apps throughout the day. I know there are so many different notification manager available in Play Store, but Filterbox offer ton of different features that you won't probably find anywhere else. Next up we got an application which goes by the name called Block. Block is an application that improves your self-control by giving you an insight on how your time is being spent on your smartphone. Whether you want to focus on your studies or you don't want to get disturbed during work, then you can definitely download this application. It also allows you to block any apps for a certain period of time. So in case if you're using a particular app for a longer time, then you can easily block the application during your work timing. All in all, it's one of the best productivity app that you can get for your smartphone. Definitely try it out. Finally, we have Floating Notes. It allows you to create sticky notes that keeps visible on the edges of your screen while using any other apps on your smartphone. All you have to do is just write down whatever you need to remind and then you can have it anytime on your screen while watching videos or playing games on your device. It also offers different customizations like you can change the color, icons or adjust the transparency level and do lot more with your notes. Well, I have already used many note-taking apps, but this one is super useful, so definitely try it out. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing productivity apps that you should have on your smartphone. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.